Good morning, fellow meddlers.
There you go. We're back. So, what's up today? What's on the agenda?
We're going to cut holes in the floor
Again.
and
poke our electric box downstairs.
and probably a bunch of trash because that's normally what happens.
Them holes are very convenient. Somebody's gonna have to clean the basement again though one of these days, unfortunately. Anyhow, that's our plan for today, is cut more holes in the floor and get this box out of the way.
They can't see the box.
This box. So, there's no wires coming from the top. There's some going into the wall there, but I'll deal with that. So, we're gonna start cutting this out here and drop that down into the basement and get it out of our way for now. Leave it all wired up and deal with it later. That's the plan. That's what we're gonna do today.
That's the plan.
We're gonna get to work. We can stand and talk and mess around most of our day if we showed it all. We do a lot of talking and aggravating.
Who does the aggravating?
You do. You do.
No. Okay.
All right, ladies. Let's.
They watched enough to know who does it.
We might have to vote on that one of these days and see what they think. Because I talked to a gal, Deanna, lady I work with, and she says, your wife just nails you all the time. She just really gets you.
Because you set it up.
No, that's just the way it is.
Yeah, you do. You set it up, and can't let that
You
one
take
go.
advantage of any
I do take
opportunity.
advantage of it.
And you nail me. So Deanna's right. You're right, Deanna.
What'd you say?
We're stapled.
Oh, steepled.
You say steeple, I say staple.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know. Maybe it's like tomato and tomato.
Maybe.
Oh, it's a big one. Whatever you want to call it.
Looks like a steeple to me.
Whatever, Lisa. It's always got to be your way.
Yeah, it does.
I might go downstairs and look at that first and see what all's there and where I can cut and maybe where I shouldn't. Give me that. Okay, so this is what we're looking at down here. Looks like we can do some cleanup on the from up there pretty good. Not a lot of stuff in the way cutting, so we're in pretty good shape. Problem is the plan's not going to work because they've got wires on this side of the floor joist and wires on that side of the floor joist. Now, I need a little more junk over here my way.
Yeah, you do. Pretty soon it'll be downstairs once you get your holes
made.
Are you suggesting I throw it downstairs?
No, no,
I
no.
think that's what it was.
I just think that
Let's see
normally
what
happens.
here. You want to cut.
Tough.
There.
That one's capped.
Where's my other? There it is. There.
Yeah, both capped.
There we go. Now, then will be.
Easier to deal with.
Yep. I guess I need to just go downstairs and open this up and get that out of the way. Instead of trying to cut around it and stuff.
Yeah. Pull your lines down through.
Yeah. Okay, so that's some of the mess that was up there. Let that loose. I'll go up there and cut the top off and let that drop on down. I mean, the water lines are down, so. Okay.
That's pretty nasty.
Automatic. Leave that out there. Well, I don't think we can salvage that now. It's out of luck.
Did you want to?
What you want to do?
I don't think I wanted to salvage it.
We need the leaf blower, it looks like. Leaves
With
in there.
leaves in there?
Yeah.
Sure is. Too bad it's not your greenback.
Yeah.
Frog skins.
Unfortunately, we're probably more likely to do what you and Glenda want and find something dead in here.
There probably might be something dead in there. Let's just hope it's not a human body.
I'm glad you finally specified that.
Being
Now what?
contrary, isn't it?
Yeah. Kind of like you.
Is that right?
That's exactly right. No doubt about it.
Ew. That's nasty. No dead
The floor is lava
bodies.
again.
Oh, the floor's lava again.
Yeah.
Here we go.
What's this?
What was it? A shoe?
Piece of wood.
It sounded awful soft. There's a piece of wood.
Perfect time to fix this up a little bit.
Yeah, it needs. That's pretty rotten right there. Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's been
It is.
waterlogged. It doesn't take much to get on that floor and cause that.
Nope. It doesn't. What else after?
You're,
Hmm?
you're gonna fall through. Your foot's gonna fall through.
Lisa.
Do you need
You're
something
wishful
smaller?
thinking.
No, I am not.
I'm gonna cut it again.
I don't want you to get hurt.
I think we just need to get the vacuum and clean this area up right here
Okay.
and fix this.
Oh no. Okay. I was gonna say they've stuffed papers down in that, but that's not what that is. That's
Yeah.
foam, isn't it? Or
It is, but
it's
they
paper?
did stuff paper in it. That's a paper towel that they stuffed down through there.
Ah,
Yeah.
why?
Because that's what holds mice out is paper towels.
Oh,
Anything?
no, evidently not.
You gotta wait and use them after you've used them at the dinner table to where they smell like fried chicken and bacon.
Is that what it is?
Yep.
Ugh.
Plugged in.
I kept thinking that looks like a paper towel, and then I thought, no, they
Yep.
sprayed that.
It
with
is, it
spray
was-
foam, but
Spray foam, but they
it had a paper towel in it
to
first.
take up space.
Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Not
No,
at
I
all.
see. I mean, I see it. Yeah, no, I know. Ugh.
You just can't believe it, but you got to because it's right there in front of you.
Yeah, that's true.
Yep, for just a little bit anyway.
Okay.
So it's cracked back up under that board and stuff.
Oh. Well, would it make it better to cut another hole and put it on this side of the joist? Would it make it more sturdy or?
No, I think this will be all right once we,
Okay.
but we may want to try to clean that down there and see what that looks like too.
Okay.
Make any decisions. I don't want to sit there at that nasty hole down there. I'm gonna walk.
You may want to put that one back in there. That's the one that we took out of the bathroom. It's probably better, maybe. Is it better?
It might be. Yeah, it is. It is.
Fine.
And then if
We'll
we
do
have
what
to-
you want again.
Well, if we have to redo one, then we can redo one that's.
I've already went around this one and squared it up. And then chose not to use it.
just need to get her board over here and measure that hole and go from there.
Okay.
It's 12 o'clock. I'll get by to eat, Lise.
Okay.
Will you let me? Have
I'm
I
at-
done enough so I can eat?
8%. So, you think you need to eat?
I'd like to eat today.
Did you work for food?
I think I do.
Okay. I guess you can eat then.
Okay. Okay, so we've opened this all up and where we could see it a little better, and which I seen this from downstairs a little earlier, but our pipe goes up this side and our wires mostly go up on this side, or I guess they all do, of this floor joist. So got to looking at this, and it comes out here and kind of comes to a dead end here. So this is coming out. We're going to do away with this. So I'm going to cut this one out, and we'll put it back. But if I could go ahead with this right now and get this box situated a little different would be good. That's the plan today, is at least to get it downstairs and ready to come back up the next time we're here.
It's actually sad that it's that easy to break.
It's not easy.
It's not.
No.
It's brute force.
Brute force, yeah. It's not easy at all. If you had real good ears, you could probably hear a
But your bionics kick in.
Yeah. You have to be listening though. Let's see here.
What's
Take
next,
that
Major?
I'm taking that loose up there.
Okay.
Does that make you the bionic woman?
I wouldn't say that. I'd say the bionic man had perfect eyesight.
Go dissing me again. not wise to have a metal
No, it isn't.
wrench in there, but
Like that.
yeah, I knew that was gonna happen though. Okay, so it's hanging on the ground bar there, which is all right.
Steeple.
Staple.
So what's the difference between a steeple and a staple?
Yeah, I stumped you there.
Um,
That little mouse is running on its wheel now.
is it?
Yeah. I think so.
Whoa.
There. We've got it moved out.
We do, kinda, sorta.
Yeah.
Still hanging on by a thread.
Let's see what we got, dog.
Okay.
Okay, we can get that screwed back in. Alrighty, well, we've kind of got to a stopping point here because I need the generator up here from this point on. All of these wires, everything has to come out of that box, and we've got to put the floor in and then get the holes in the wall and shove everything back up through. So that's kind of a one-day deal, this next portion of this. And actually that's what I thought I was going to do today, but everything just took a little longer, and I always think I can do more than I actually can. But anyway, we're going to shut that down right there today and get some stuff to work on this right down here, the ductwork, and get that taken care of. I think we've got enough 2x6s to go ahead and repair the floor joists. So we're just gonna call her a day and pick up and clean up and go home.
Sounds good.
Sounds good? You
Yeah.
tired?
Kinda.
She's got poo on her shirt right there. Been bothering me all day, but it seemed to bother her. Okay. We'll see y'all the next time. We do appreciate you coming along.
Thanks for watching.
No. It's crooked. You've got poo on your shirt.
I do. I like food. That kind of food.
Maybe nobody will notice. I've got gangrene.
Yeah, and people have noticed that.
Yes. Well, back up here. We're back. What do we say? Here we are. Here's Lisa.
Live simple, live free. I am not Elizabeth.
Yeah, and I'm not that. What is his name?
No.
So we'll get him out.
Yeah.
64 degrees, wind's blowing, a little cloud cover.
It's not
We'll get
even
him out.
64 degrees.
54 maybe.
Maybe 46.
46. They're just numbers.
Yeah. It's kind of like the scale, it's just numbers.
Yeah.
Just numbers. Means nothing.
Nothing. I guess we should probably start doing something.
Good morning, fellow muddlers.
There you go.